After opening the Jiocinema app, are you getting any error or having trouble updating the app? Then try this. Hello everyone, welcome to Try on a Step. First, open your phone's Settings. Then click on Apps option. Then search for Jiocinema app and click on the app. Then click on Storage option. Then click on Clear Data and Clear Cache option to clear data and cache. Then switch off your phone for a while and restart it. Turn on the internet and open the Google Play Store. Then search Jiocinema and update the app. After the update, open the app and log into your account. Hope your problem is solved. If there is any problem, please comment. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel.